Okay, this is the answer to the calcium carbonate one. So it's the calcium carbonate problem. And as always, the MR of calcium carbonate is where we start. And that equals 100. It's a very common one to use. So therefore we work out the moles of calcium carbonate. That is equal to 1250 divided by 100, which equals 12.5 moles. Look at the equation, and therefore we can see that the equation yields that we should end up with 12.5 moles of carbon dioxide, because they react 1 to 1 in the equation. So therefore the volume would equal 12.5 times 24, which equals 300, but this is in decimeter cubed. It asks for a centimeter cubed, so therefore we have to multiply by 1,000, which equals 300,000 centimeter cubed.